Okay, we are going to arrange our architecture board. First of all, import all the documents in the sheet. Move the image in the sheet to find the right composition. Make sure main lines are aligned. To do this, you can use the guidelines and activating Snap from View menu. I prefer to put the section and elevations in the bottom of sheet, because the ground line in these documents help me to define baseline for the architecture board. In this project, because there are lots of images in the sheet, we need some space for typing, title and headline. I move all the images a little to the right side. Okay, I think everything is done and my project is ready. You can check it, and I hope you enjoy my course. Thank you so much. See you again.